it's me again, and we're going to do another unboxing video. Why a 7x50 binocular? Well, I used to have one which I got back in 1996. That was a year before Comet Hale-Bopp. It was Comet Hyakutake, if I'm not mistaken. So back in 1996, I got this. It's really good. This excellent Nikon 7x50 binocular with Japanese optics, which were really good. And I was able to get this binocular from a local supplier here in the island. I was really fortunate for that. But with time, binoculars start getting dirty, and even the optics can lose alignment. So actually, collimation was pretty bad with this. And I had a person who I trust do an evaluation in this binocular, and this person told me, they're not salvageable. They're beyond repair. But this person who I trust, gave me a really good suggestion. He told me, the Nikon has some really nice units right now out in the market, and this one specifically could be a good idea for you. So I took this suggestion, and I got this package. I just got this a couple of hours ago, and we're going to open this box. We're going to see what's inside, and hopefully I'll be able to test them under the stars to see how they perform. So let's go. It's actually a pretty large box, so I get the impression that there's some really good packaging here. So let me just take a look at what's inside. Package slip. Okay, this looks really good. What's this? Okay, this is like a free gift that they actually wanted to throw in. So this is tiny USB rechargeable light. I think this is like a red light or something like that. It's pretty nice. So okay, let me just take a look at this. Nikon Aculon A211 7x50. Spherical eyepiece lenses to minimize aberration, multi-layer coated lenses for brighter images. Nice. Okay, let's see what's inside. Whoa. It's nice. It's really nice. What else? Binocular general instructions and instruction manual. So they're actually two different instruction manuals. I'll take a look later on. And I also got the Nikon strap. Okay. With the Nikon logo. pretty solid, pretty hefty. I like when optical appliances feel like this, you know. And of course, these are adjustable. And let me just take a look at the objective lenses. It says, I think it's multi-coated optics. And okay, let me just take a look here. And there's a diopter adjustment. That's really nice. Not a big issue with me because fortunately I've got similar prescription on both eyes. Very little or no astigmatism, very fortunately. But anyway, if there was a need for a diopter adjustment, it's available here. Okay. Well, let me just take a look at this. I know I'm not going to be able to focus into anything. I just have maybe like a meter, maybe half a meter, no, but just to get an idea. Okay. Field of view looks really nice, and I like to take a look at the stars. I like to go out and see how they actually perform. Under the stars. So let me just go out for a while, and I'll be right back. Well, I'm back, and I am very glad to report that these are great. These are excellent. I just went out. It was mostly clear. The sky was basically clear with a few clouds. So no new telescope curves, no observer's curves. And I took a look at the Pleiades star cluster, which is a favorite of mine, and they look beautiful. They look beautiful. This is extremely sharp. It's very easy to merge both images. It's very comfortable to look through. Very bright because there's an axial pupil of like 7. I'm not even certain that my own pupil is going to open to 7 millimeters. But anyway, I've got those 50 millimeter objective lenses there, so I've got the optics if I need it anyway. And I also took a look at the Orion Nebula in the sort of Orion. I just love watching that area of the sky. And I also took a look at the Beehive cluster, Messier 44, if I'm not mistaken, the constellation Cancer. And even with all the light pollution that I've got here, they look beautiful, very sharp. So this is a keeper. I'll definitely give this 5 stars.